国际焦点来看到，美国刚和乌克兰签署了矿产合作协议。不过，美国副总统范斯今天接受专访，他说他不认为俄罗斯和乌克兰很快就会达成停火。
But it's going to be up to the Russians and the Ukrainians now that each side knows what the other's terms for peace are. It's going to be up to them to come to an agreement and stop this brutal conflict. It's not going anywhere, Brett. It's not going to end anytime soon. It's a peace settlement.
美国副总统范斯针对俄乌和谈曾经警告说，俄罗斯和乌克兰务必要达成和平协议，否则华府将停止促成俄乌停火的努力。不过，他今天在专访中提到，俄乌很难在近期之内达成协议，显然是对现况仍抱持悲观。